back here at the crib. In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2017 or whatever gen this is Ram, and most all of the vehicles. Stay tuned.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
What's up, everybody? We are back. Tuned in live. This morning we are going to be changing out the battery on my 2017 Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7. The engine size does matter. That's some information that you want to know. I'm going to be making a video coming up called 5 Things You Need to Know Before You Go to the Parts Store to buy parts. So make sure y'all stay tuned in for that one. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, all that good stuff. Let me know down in the comment section below what other videos you might want to see. So basically, battery removal, to me, I say it's very simple, but for other people, it may not be. So the first, you just identify your terminals. Red is your positive, black is gonna be your negative. On this particular battery, we're gonna have to need to loosen this bolt right here and this bolt right here. There is also a battery hold down, which is right there. So those three, loosening those three is going to loosen our battery, and it'll come out. So what you'll probably need, or what I like to always suggest, especially for any beginners, just pick you up one of these. It's 8 millimeter on one side, 10 millimeter on the other. It pretty much is gonna fit, like this one tool will fit pretty much everything you're gonna need. In some instances, like this one, where the bolt is sticking out a little bit further, you might run into a problem, but so you can, as you can see, so you can get that on there. So we're gonna loosen up that one, and we're gonna loosen up this one here. As you can see, is gonna be the exact same thing. Loosen that up, and as that loosens up, then you'll be able to remove. Me personally, I like power tools, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you this little tool and how it works. So you can get one at your local parts store, man. Battery terminal tool. So let's get this off of here, get this battery out. Those two are loosened up. We just need to get down there. That looks like it may be about a 10. On a lot of batteries, I believe it's like a 13. But on this one, it looks to be about a 10. So in your toolbox, like I said, I like working with power tools. It just makes the job go quicker, especially when it's mornings like this, and it is especially when it's mornings like this. This screw happened to be a 10. Usually it's a 13. When I change a lot of customers' batteries at work. So hold down removed. disconnect your negative. Well, let me, I'm gonna need both hands for this part. Let me cut y'all back on. We got the old battery outs. Sometimes if you want to, especially if you're just beginning, first time, you wanna make sure that the battery physically is the same size. You also wanna make sure that cranking amps are similar. This one has 800, this one has 750 cold cranking. So yeah, manufacturer date sticker 9/17. This one was new off the shelf, 12/20. So this one I got from my local parts store, 3-year warranty, good to go. So let's get it installed. Installation is the reverse of removal. You're gonna want to attach your positive cable first and then your negative, and reinstall your hold down. And with some movie magic, and as you can see, the battery is reinstalled. Battery hold down reinstalled, positive cable and negative cable, and now we should be able to crank it off without the assistance of a jump pack.